Hello everyone, welcome to another video by the Ancient Trader. Today is the 29th of September. There was an expiry and I had previously yesterday I had got out of the market expecting that I had profits and I had entered today, and today there was quite a bit of volatile day. The market jumped around trying to test around the 17,000 mark, which is the 200 TMA, and then it ended up at around 16,842. So this was a wide range coming for sort of a bias of what's going to come for the RBI in hike data. So based on this, the VIX sort of dropped in the final few minutes of the day. So that was quite surprising. So there was a sort of a VIX crash, I would say. As you can see from 22 point today, yes, from 22.27 to that is to 21.1. That's roughly around 5 to 8% of VIX crash had come at the end of the day. So with this, I was able to make some positional advantage and exit my weekly trades as well. So this was an expiry of a monthly expiry as well as the weekly expiry. I had entered this trade of October the 6th, but now I exited this as I had close to 0.8% profit of my capital. So this is what happened. And coming back to the performance of my report for this month is that I sort of earned somewhere around 90,000 rupees. So that was the highest in the week so far, as I squared off the other weeks. So if you have a look into this, this is the hedge position which I carry for December in case the market falls. And this were the other positions which I had. I had some of the short positions in the option so that I could take some delivery as well. And in fact, I did take a delivery of Infosys at 1400, and I'm going to continue to do a covered call for this. So just to have a look at what was my profit for this week, and I just entered this values and see how much it is right now. So with the TCS, I closed at around uh, 405 when I reached the break even and I exited. So that was about it. And with some of the trades I went wrong. I was trying to experiment with a lot of volatility. So ended up losing some of the money over there. And yes, and Bajaj Finance as well. So that was a different thing. So this is it. So there was a profit of 56,440. And upon that, I closed this at 31,125. So that's a profit of 87,565. Just to recheck, so this is 53752177 minus 573040556715 2355 and 723. And these are like October series. So this is one thing which I closed for the next weekly, but again this comes under September. So this is a profit of massive 87,500 rupees as the profit. So this is what it looks like, and it has been an amazing month. So if I'm right, my profits in the first week were around 1,000, and then followed by 81,052 and 52, and then now 87,500. So it's a massive profit of 2,73,500. So to just like quickly put around, I will just add the trades which are closed for the September series into my archive and sort of look into the trades. So far it's been going good, and this is my highest profit since I started trading in my career. Yes, so just add to the real archive. So let's see, did it go? Yes. So now I just go over here. It's taking a bit of time. Coming back to the market, I'm expecting the markets to be range bound. after certain days. So anything below 16,800, the next support is around 16,500 and 16,000. So I am trying to play a bit safe. I will come up with a bit. In this video, I will show you what is the trade which I've taken for October the 13th expiry and why I try to remain safe. So this is the trades which we calculated till October 6th. So that was 87,500 and then followed by 44,325 and 8607 and then 46,290 plus 6412, and this one was the another trade which changed a lot of things for me. 517, 2030 and 1340. So that's roughly around 2000, 2,75,000 rupees as 2,76,000 close to. That's my profit for this month. That's on a capital of roughly around 50 lakhs. So I would assume that it's easily around, let's say 52 lakhs was my capital, overall capital used overall. But however, it was not the exact amount which I used. I used quite a bit less. So that comes around 5.3% as the ROI. So this is how my performance was for the month of September. And coming back to the trades which I have taken. So the trades are nothing but I have taken it a quite bit far. I have taken an 16,300 C for the end of October series and I have sold 15,500 and 17,800. Trying to be a bit safe, and I would target to take it somewhere till the next Monday. Not this Monday, the following Monday. So 11 days, it's gonna be a quietly relaxed week over here. So in case if I make somewhere around 40, 50, I would just move to the next week. So that I'm quite happy doing this sort of trade for the coming days. I do not want to take any sort of risk as I'm quite far away. So this is what it looks like. I have entered a few positions for the October. So what I'm trying to do is I have taken the October one lot cash of Infosys and I had taken 1,400. So I have sold 1,200 P, 1,500 P, and bought 1,400 and 1,420. So if anywhere the market stops, anywhere this is 15% down. So October 13th is the period where Infosys is gonna declare the results. So I'm gonna collect few points over here. So that's roughly around 20 points I would be able to collect, and this is around 40 points. So this is the way I'm trying to do a covered call and try to reduce my losses. In case the market goes higher, I would come out with a profit of roughly around 42,000 with the cash market as well, and I would exit this Infosys trade for the coming one. And since I was a quite bearish, I have sold a secured put of 1,300 P, and with the TCS I have sold 3,000 P, so I would have no losses till 2,900. I'm ready to take a delivery of cash at 2,900 with the TCS, and with the Bajaj Finance I have sold at 6,000 P. However, even if this comes at around this price, I would be able to take it for the delivery. So this is what it looks like. And the target for October is to reach around a lakh or 1.2 lakhs. I think that is what I'm trying to look forward, trying to be safe in the coming days as the recession tries to loom over here in Europe. And I would like to remain safe for the remainder of the month and try to make a decent profit of 2-3% per month. So currently this is what it looks like. And coming to the open interest, let's say what are the expectations for October. So let's see that in Nifty, a lot of calls were added today and as well as some of the puts. So there's a, let's say a straddle of 17,000. The market could reach between 18,000 and a potential to reach 16,000 also. So we need to see which side it goes first, and most probably looking at PCR, it's quite healthy at 1.2. But however, coming at the PCR as quite improved. Morning it was around 0.56 and now it is 0.78. So slowly the puts have been added in the day, and it looks like that was the reason for the VIX to be dropped, and people were quite confident, and the RBI might come out with the expected guideline. So what I'm trying to do is trying to play around this range, try to make some decent profit and exit as and when I can. So yeah, so this is my trade, and thank you all for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.